we go. Okay.
Yo.
What's good? What's good?
Hey guys, my name is Chris Luno and this is the Sunset Drive House Mix. Here we go.
All right. Today we're on the minis instead of the micros. I'll still be taking a look at the micros just in case, but I'm gonna be focused on the minis.
You big balling now, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, excuse me guys, I'll be right back. Alright, looks like we got our first alert here. Right before 9:30. Oof. Okay, nothing on you. Here on DS, looks like we still got a shot. Oh no, that's gonna be savage. Alright, bet. First one, let it rip on automation.
Actors, we can make you believe we know what we're doing, when in fact, we do not. Whoops, I have no idea what these buttons do. I've never driven a stick in my life, but my heart is...
Pending order is not visible.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Yes, sir. I'm not on the new
Right.
version. I'm not on the new version.
Okay.
Yeah. I wanted to ask you first, what did you do to the new version before I used it?
So if you go to the yesterday's trade,
Okay.
where it took the trade, but it was not supposed to take. So that one is fixed.
Okay.
So like visually it says trade should be there, but actually the trade should not be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Were there any logic updates or logic improvements?
No, that only that part. I didn't find anything for the alert.
Okay.
Alert did fire.
Yeah. This is 4.12, and the alert did fire.
In the TradeOvert account. Let me check.
Yes, it did for me.
Okay.
Order filled.
Order filled on my side.
Whew, take profit hit, baby. That was crazy. Whew. Damn. That
Good shit, game.
was wild, bro.
That shit was fast.
Yeah, 4 contracts on ES. Holy shit. I haven't seen numbers like that in a minute, bro.
You took that trade.
Yeah. That was amazing, bro. That was beautiful. Thank you. That was automation. Let's go, guys. If you're in the YouTube and you caught that, drop a 1 in the chat. If you're in the YouTube and you caught that, drop that 1. Jacob, you caught that, ho?
Gracias, bro. Yo la agarré, manito. Muchas gracias.
Let's go.
Que Dios te
That's what I'm
bendiga.
talking about.
Te hablo. Te hablo después.
Así, uno y ya.
Rapidito, bro. Gracias, papá. Cuídate. Te amo, bro. Nos
Llámame,
vemos.
te llamo a las
Completarlo.
11:30. Te llamo a las 11:30.
Dale, bro.
Dale, bye. That was clean. That was tough. Yep, that was a fast one. Be right back. TJ, can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah.
So remember how you were talking about the update from point 12 to point 13, trying to fix some alerts that weren't firing because we thought they were going off at the same time. I just want to know what exactly is the update between point 12 and point 13.
Point 12 and 13, I believe. I fixed that part where it was giving fair value gap without breaking in some of the cases.
Okay, I think that was
Without
point 12. From point 12 to point 13, it was remember how some alerts weren't firing because we thought they were being sent out at the same time. Remember?
yeah, I remember now.
Okay, yeah. So what exactly did you do to fix that where both alerts were firing at the same time? What did you change in the logic? And you remember you were like,
I
oh,
separated.
the solution is not successful.
Yeah, so I separated some of the arrays which were using same for all three symbols.
Separated some of the what? Sorry.
And like it's technical array
Okay.
array
And
in like code.
sorry, continue.
Like it's a programming technical term.
And you said it wasn't successful, so it doesn't matter if we use point 12 or point 13. They're both the same, right?
No, in this one, like the yesterday's issue, that one is fixed. So it's better to use point 13.
Okay. Would you be able to send me my version whenever you have the chance, please?
Yeah, I will share.
Sure thing. Is there anything you're looking at now, like delays or anything at all?
The same thing alert, like first alert fired properly, and I need to understand exact reason why sometimes alert is missing.
Okay.
So like for those we are missing alert, probably I need to take screenshot or pinpoint those trades and compare with those which are firing alert.
Okay. Sounds good. Holy shit, this thing just flew, bro. What is going on right now? This thing just flew. My calculations at 18 contracts.
Yesterday's high.
36. Oh, nice, Ethan. What'd you say, Mario? Or I'm not sure who spoke.
I said that they clear yesterday's high.
Yeah, bro. I wonder what the fuck is going on right now.
There's definitely some shit for Trump, bro.
Yeah, something definitely had to have happened. Because that is a wild movement. There's red folder news in 5 minutes. Flash services PMI. And then there's orange folder news at 10. But I gotta be careful. President Trump is considering cutting tariffs on China, likely to 50 to 65% to ease tensions. No final decision has been made and options remain open. That's what's happening.
Wasn't it at like 200%?
Oh yeah, that shit's up there. That shit is up there, my boy.
Yeah, that shit was definitely up there, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, Manuel. That was the God candle. Yes, sir. Bumping the funk, baby.
Oh, sorry, I'm on mute. That sell hit TP right away, right?
Hell yeah, baby.
That was so weird. I was looking at it, I'm like, what the fuck is it? Boom, boom.
That shit was fire, bro.
Let's see what happened with Cameron's account. Did you log into his account? I'll log into it right now.
Into Cameron's?
Yeah.
No, you like Maxx.
I'm logging into it right now through the trading view.
Me too, I'm checking it out.
Bro, my boy's up like... he already spent like 3K for the day already, and they're up like 9K revenue.
That's insane.
He showed me everything he's doing. Huh. It's weird. He's negative for the day, that's strange.
Yeah, that is so weird. He definitely did some shit.
He did something, let me see.
He had to have done something.
I'm going through, I'm trying to see. His place trades on NQ a whole bunch of times, so it's weird.
Hold on, I'm gonna check his shit.
Let me see if he manually did something. It's so weird.
They were all on NQ 905.
There's like 3 trades back to back. Strange.
And the weird part is I don't even see them. I don't even see them on the chart.
Yeah, I'm investigating. I think it's plus he's got max consecutive losses too, so I don't. He must have done something manual. I'm gonna ask him.
Nah, he had to, bro. There's no way.
Not even following the line. I mean, I see the first buy. Yeah, I see the buy in MNQ on the 1.11, but it's not on the
Clients
so
are still on 1.11, bro.
He's still on 1.11. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to switch. We have to switch her. We haven't switched them over yet.
Oh hell no. Hell no.
Yeah, I see a buy. Looks like false divergence. What I don't understand is why he must have like tried to make the money back or something. Let me see.
Yeah, everybody should get switched today for the newest version that TJ just sent me this morning.
That's weird. Must have manually did this time.
Yeah, this is fire, bro. This is a good mix.
Oh, Bonnie and Cameron are talking. Yeah, they're in a chat. I'm gonna add you in there.
Okay.
Oops, put the wrong version. That's strange. Yeah, he was supposed to lose 200. He did something manual.
He wasn't supposed to lose at all, bro. That shit's insane. Like,
Doesn't make any sense. Did your did the automation catch that sound perfectly without a delay?
yeah, automation happened perfectly. Yo, Kenneth, let me know, bro. I am down.
It's probably that loop then.
Yeah, no, like I said, 11.1 is kind of shitty. So we just need to switch
So
over
we don't have
to
points on there.
13.4. TJ, new profile picture?
I told you, he doesn't like showing his face.
Wow, that's crazy, bro.
It's like it's like the prophets we have in our religion. You can't show their face. It's kind of the same. He's a prophet.
That's insane.
TJ, you gotta defend yourself. Come on, man.
I gotta do what?
Nothing to worry about. Just messing around.
I like that other picture,
I will
TJ. I don't know why you took that other picture off. Was it AI?
Yeah, it was it.
I know it was AI. You look good.
No, that was your
That's
picture. That wasn't his picture.
I'm going to remove that AI from everyone.
Why? He's left it there so long. Everybody's just assuming that's him.
I like AI TJ.
AI is going to take over the world.
Yes, sir.
Take over the world with this.
AI TJ. Damn, these markets are crazy right now, dude. And spiking up, spiking down. We got news at 10. 8 minutes.
We got news events? Damn.
Yeah, we had one at 9:45. And then we have news at 10. And this big spike up was Trump saying that he might cut tariffs on China.
It's crazy. All of that just to cut the tariffs.
Yeah, literally. Kenneth, did you catch that this morning? How's everything going with you with the indicator so far? Oh, I'm having a blast right now. I think I'm gonna need to stand up. I like this music, bro. This guy's going hard.
How cold is one?
That guy is going hard right now. And he's driving around on a bus in Malibu. Fuck yeah.
All I wanna do is scam. What are they doing today? Are they trying to liquidate? They're going straight up.
Yep.
%90 off.
Beautiful, beautiful, Kenneth. I love it. I love it. I love it. Stay patient until the next one. Let's see what 10 in the morning does. So trading should be boring. Yo, I think all these lows are gonna get swept. That would be so real. I think those lows are gonna get eaten up. Oh,
Does anybody have the latest version running? Trying to pull some data for today on the right version.
I have 4.12.
Oh yeah, you got it. It's the same version, I think, right?
Yeah, just some small differences. But what are you trying to pull?
Nothing from marketing. Trying to do a side side with that trade and the profits.
The only trade we took today, bro, was ESL.
Yeah, I just need to see that. Cameron's account didn't take it. I usually just go based off of his.
Because Cameron has 11.1, and I've said
Yeah.
11.1 is not good for the past, I don't know how many days.
Yeah, I know that's irrelevant. I'm just asking for an account that's running on the latest version. If we don't have one, it's okay. I'll make something up. Bonnie took a trade on him in a queue. $240, yeah, no trades. Do we have any, Mario, do we have any accounts running on the latest version internally? Okay.
What do you need? The report? You need the order report, the performance? What do you need?
No, I need a login info so I can use it for marketing.
Oh,
I should send out emails consistently. I'm aggressive, bro. I need that. We should have some accounts internally.
I have mine running, but I don't like sending out my login.
I'm not sending it out. I'm just gonna. Never mind. We'll talk after the call.
Alright,
I'm trying to move fast.
I can tell. But I could send you the performance report.
That's fine. You can set it. You can always send me the PDFs that it allows you to download.
Type shit.
Yeah, those are pretty good.
See, I'm gonna wait for one more trade, hit my daily target, and I'm done. And as soon as that happens, I'll send that over.
All right.
But yeah, TJ sent a new version out this morning. Everybody should use that. Yo, Mario, I'm gonna log into Canva. Can you please authorize my login?
Okay, right now?
Yeah, I'll let you know. I'm about to try to sign in right now.
I don't know why he's doing this. I disabled this option and he's... Yeah, I don't know why he's asking for this.
It's all good. Google stays safe.
Bro, I asked this man a question before you didn't answer. Max, just let me know when we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a bunch of accounts myself.
Good to go on what? That's 10 a.m. news right there.
Latest version.
We're good to go on the latest version, Papa. TJ just sent it this morning.
Okay, what did he fix on the latest one? The thing we talked about yesterday with
Yes, yes, sir.
the
Exactly.
loop. Okay, yeah, I'll talk about the loop thing. Cool.
Well, it wasn't really the loop thing, bro, honestly. So a lot of alerts, they're not really delayed, they just didn't meet the requirements for entry. So yesterday that entry, it broke above by one tick, and it has to break above by one tick and at least
Yeah.
so it just didn't break up above enough, and it didn't consider it until the next candle broke higher. You know what I mean? So what TJ did was he fixed it visually so that if price, displays the entry and it already entered, it won't count it, and it'll still execute it
Right.
later. But yeah, it was just the fact that it didn't break above high enough. So
Okay, that makes sense.
yeah, so in reality, because I was testing last night all night, like literally, I was testing for 6 hours straight, and I was testing a bunch of different versions of automation, and it has no delays. The only time it has some kind of delay is when it doesn't break above the displacement zone hard enough.
Okay. What do we do to like fix the? We just remove the whole tick limitation on
We can,
the.
but I haven't spoken to TJ about that. I was gonna wait for our call to do that.
Okay. So it's fixed. That's what I was saying. Like it's that
Yeah,
that
we're
trade.
good. We're good to go.
Alright, so that means with the fix, that trade would have been taken. Alright, cool.
Nah. With the fix, that trade would have now become a pending order. Mario, by the way, I did a login. So if you could send me the code privately, I would appreciate it.
Okay, so you're saying that trade would have never been taken then?
It would have never been taken because here, let me just go ahead and show you.
No, I get it. You're saying because it didn't displace hard enough. Like it was only like a one tick
Exactly.
displacement.
Max, keep Telegram.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. So since it didn't displace hard enough, what would happen is now this fair value gap would shoot out and become a pending order.
I got you. Alright, would have never been activated then.
Yeah, so it literally would have never been activated.
Sucks. Okay. Well,
Now this week has been beautiful so far, bro. Like this week has won every single day. Even if it's only one trade, this week has won every single day. It's been a great week. We just need we already have it. We have the version that will execute everything. You know, just if we're running it in the afternoon or the PM session, there's gonna be bugs. If we're running it London, there's gonna be bugs. When we run it during New York, there's no bullshit. If we just set our daily targets, there's no bullshit. I think TJ really snapped on that last version. I'm pretty surprised.
okay. Alright, cool.
Even the testing account is up by $4,000.
What'd you say?
Yeah, the one which we are running.
I need the
Yes.
login info for that.
Here, I think.
But the risk percentage is 1% per
It
trade.
doesn't matter. I need data to market. Just drop the login info for that in Telegram chat if you can, please.
Okay, I see it. Wow, that's beautiful. And how long, TJ?
And like this is almost 2-3 weeks.
Wow. Nice.
It dropped the account and then dropped the settings.
That's not 4%, that's 8%, bro.
No, like $4,000 up.
Okay.
Fucking nasty. All right. Yeah, TJ, if you could send that login information to Nasir, that would be great.
Just drop it
Yeah.
in Telegram chat. Thanks.
Mario, I'm gonna log in now. Whoops. I need my tunes.
Sometimes we play like fools, but I've had enough. Let's make it simple now and speak the truth. No time to mess around, and let's not hide from my love. There's no this is not a game, it's not a game. Got you on my mind, it's still the truth.
Yeah, well, that account that DJ mentioned. So we need to see, DJ, did you were risking that account 1% per trade, yeah?
Yeah, 1% per trade.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we need to pull data and see what was the biggest drawdown on the closest trade. So we don't have information on how big drawdown was on a live trades on the when it's not closed, the open trades. that kind of report, it doesn't exist. But let's see
One
what
second,
was
Kenneth.
the max drawdown. I was trying to do that myself right now, and he didn't allow me. I don't know why. Maybe we can do that for each day, maybe 10.
So Kenneth, if you go to the settings that you have in the indicator and you scroll all the way to the bottom, it'll show you from when the start date is to the end date. And just,
No, I'm talking about.
I'm talking to somebody on my stream. Don't worry.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're good. So it'll show you when the start date is and when the end date is, and you can adjust that. But just keep in mind that it'll only look back 3 weeks maximum. So the stats on the table are about 90% accurate, and they go back about 3 weeks. But you can customize them there in that area. Let me know if that answered your question. All right. We might have another trade coming. Taking out the trades. Just during the set time period that you put in. So if you play around with these settings right here, which is the plot swing session time, the plot swing session time is when the indicator is drawing on the chart, or when the indicator is plotting on the chart, and the allowed trade session time is when the indicator is allowed to actually take trades. So it will read the trades from here to here in that statistics table. If you put it to run 24/7 on those numbers, you would see it take like 100 trades. So it's just during that set time period. Unless you... Yes, sir. Let me know if you need anything, man. Let's hop on that call today. These emojis on YouTube are freaking hilarious. Huh? Goal number 1.
Did news move it?
Huh?
Did news move anything?
Yeah, this big ass candle right here. Be right back.
Sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how you. Sorry for what I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to give a warm welcome to our friend, Mr. Bob Dylan.
Bob Dylan has written some of the most iconic songs.
But I ain't got time for these ads, bro.
Bob and his music.
Yo, TJ, you had a 14% win rate today? You have all the fair value gaps open.
Yeah, all the fair value gaps are open.
Damn, 14% win rate. He still made it.
14% win rate, bro.
14%. He's still up for the day.
That's insane. Then the trades that won, they definitely risked more than the trades that lost. 100%.
No, the risk is fine. The risk is fine. It's just he hit 1 to 2, so he made it for the day. I don't know. It makes no sense.
14% win rate at a 1 to 2 makes no sense unless the trades that won risked more. That's savage.
TJ, is there a reason why it's up with that risk? You were changing the risk during the day?
No, like risk is always same 1%.
Okay. I don't know.
Maybe in
Oh, I think I know because sometimes when we're in a trade and we call out another trade, the other trade will finish, and the stop loss will end up being like 5 ticks instead of like 25 ticks. And if it hits the take profit, it becomes a 1 to 10 instead of a 1 to 2. It's insane, but it's actually kind of crazy. I don't know how to explain it.
I have no idea what you. I think I know what you mean. You can show us that.
Yeah, alright, so, damn.
We could do a call at 11.
Yeah, I know, but it was pretty sick, bro. I saw it yesterday happen live. I was like, what the fuck? So,
Is that a bug or is it
no, it's
Which account?
It's not a bug. It's a functionality, but it works.
Okay.
It works
Okay,
fucking great.
So you're in 2 trades. It closes the previous trade, or does it move the stop loss in the previous trade?
So look. Say
Because if it moves the stop loss to a tighter stop loss, then you're saying that it also.
it doesn't move the stop loss at all. So
Okay.
it moves the entry. So say we're in a sell right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, say we're in a sell right here. Oh, well, that's a buy.
Yeah, that's fine. I get it.
We're in a sell right there, right? And targets are down here. Okay. If right here a buy pops up, for example. Okay. Notice how this sell, the TP is all the way down here, right?
Right.
The entry for the buy is supposed to be like this, correct?
Right.
Cool. So what it'll do is it'll enter the buy right here, calculating that.
Interesting.
So the TP stays the same, so it's technically still a 1 to 2, but now the entry gets moved from up here to down here.
Okay, I get it. So basically, TP, stop loss, everything stays the same.
Except for the entry.
I mean, the TP. Yeah, except for the entry. I got you. Okay.
And
Bro, that's actually broken. What the fuck?
Not a bug. That's just the functionality. I get it. Makes the trades better.
Yeah.
Like why the entry is changing? We have pending orders, right?
This is the yeah, you have a lower pending order, so it switches to that.
So like the
Like pending order are not
the
right.
second this trade closes, it'll send the order to activate this trade. But instead of sending it as a pending order, sometimes it'll send it as a market immediately where it is.
Oh, I see. So like price is already below that entry price.
So it'll enter
That's why it
below.
executes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will assume that it's activated.
No, but it's valid. It's technically valid. It'll still, as long as we're still risking the same amount, and as long as the stop loss isn't moved and the take profit isn't moved, we're technically entering the same exact trade with the same exact risk, now just a higher risk to reward.
So like there are 2 type of limit orders where we have limit pending and limit stop, right? So like if you see in MT45, we have if it like it is sending as a limit pending. If it was limit stop, then it will like exactly execute at the entry level. But here it assumes it's already below the entry price, so it has to execute instantaneously.
Yeah.
I see
Does
what
it
is happening.
Okay. Does it do a market execute or a pending if it's below?
It has to do market because it can't send a pending order. Or else it'll be a buy stop, and it's not gonna send out a buy stop.
Yeah, that's not a bad thing because
It'll boost.
that's not a bad thing. It's just there's a stop loss. As long as the stop loss is in the right place, then it doesn't matter.
Yeah. No, but it was pretty wild when I saw that. I was like, holy shit! Like I had like a tiny ass stop loss, and I was like, wow. I was like, what's going on here? No, but TJ, that makes sense, right? That's how it happens.
Yeah, like it's logical.
Okay. Let's go.
That makes sense.
I'm getting closer to becoming a coder every day, bro.
You have to be logical. That's it.
TJ, I'm gonna start texting you in PineScript.
Yes, sure.
You're such a nerd, bro. Yeah, sure. I will, bro. I'm gonna practice.
No, it's easy. You just have to, like, if you know any other language,
I
C,
know
Python, then
English
you
and
can.
Spanish.
Yeah,
Oh boy.
it's still a language. You have to learn a new language.
Where did you learn? Can you send me a course to learn, bro, please? TJ should make
I
a
learned.
Pine script coding course. And we should run ads on that.
Yeah, my English is bad.
Doesn't matter, bro. Your English is good. We talk every single day. I always understood you, and you always understood me. Your English is good to me, bro.
Yeah, but not good enough.
Don't
He
say that
says
to
it.
yourself. Yes, it is good enough. And if, listen, the fact that you don't speak English the best makes people think, damn, this guy really knows what he's talking about.
TJ, you and Mario can compete with in that area. Stupid.
What are you talking about? I'm talking English perfectly.
That's wild. I mean, that's usually going to happen with multiple fair value apps. I'm going to have to put that into the training. Left.
Damn, I have this.
Yeah, I think it's time.
Oh, we're about to get a trade over here on YM. Alright, let's get active. Let's get ready. Let's get ready.
Ooh.
I'm gonna exit this trade early to secure my
One.
target.
And all they gotta do is come down. Imagine if they miss it.
Oh damn, that shit popped up.
Oh, you jerks. Let's see how they close. Still rejecting off that fair value up. Damn. Looks clean. Oh damn, they just inverted that shit. Yeah, they're going up.
No alert on my end. Where's my alert? Where's my alert? There.
Alert was-
Alright, alert was sent 18 seconds late. Not bad though.
18 seconds late. How? Wasn't that a strong displacement?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
No, like alert was at 10:24 exactly on TradingView.
Let me check here.
And when did it to play a trade on the Tradeoid?
1 second. Yeah, I got
Does it
my
show-
alert at 10:24:15. So I got my alert 15 seconds late, but it's all good.
Like here on Tradeoid, I can see it is 10:24 exactly
Okay.
on my account.
Okay, that's good. Then maybe it's just a difference in accounts. It's not too big of a deal.
Max, can I see your settings real quick for the US 30? What is it? Yeah, left.
US 30, brother.
Yeah,
I got you, bro. I got you.
providing information in real time.
I don't even know why I said that. Oh, you're in the 1 minute 9:12.
Here at RE Bikes.
No, you're good. That's all I wanted to see.
Uses our customer
Yeah,
service
I'm giving each pair different settings. So for example, that one runs till 12, ES runs till 11, and I'm running the 1, 2, and 3 minute fair value gaps on ES.
Okay.
And then on NQ, I'm running it till 11:30 with only the 1 minute. I just feel like, you know, I was testing a lot yesterday, and those were the results that gave me the best.
Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna be updating that setting sheet every couple weeks, maybe once a month.
Yeah, that's why we need that central sheet with everybody settings.
100%.
Because I can go through that, or anyone can go through that and look through the data immediately and see what's working best. Is that the settings that Cameron has? I helped him with those, and it was just a matter of just adjusting them every day. So you're right, settings will change over time, but not dramatic. Are you gonna
Yeah,
mix it
not
up?
dramatically, just mainly the times. I think they'll change by 30 minutes, an hour on the trading time, and that's it.
Okay. I mean, in that case, on that buy, did you add the 1 tick to the pending order? I don't think it would have been activated even with that.
I don't know. That's something to talk about with TJ, because if it doesn't break above, because I'm not gonna lie, TJ. Look at this. This is still 4.12. So right here, the high of this candle is 247.50, and the high of this candle is 247.75. So it hit above it by 1 tick. So I'm not sure why it didn't count it.
So like it's happening like this whenever like just draw the line we have at 0.5, right? The high is at 0.5.
Yes.
Just shift the line towards 0.5 where it is still 0.5 but it changes to 0.75.
Okay, and then where it's still 0.5 but shifts to 0.7.
So like if you keep going higher, it is just stay until it you have to be just go till it stays 0.75 and 0.5. Yeah, that's it. Just mark it there. And now we have to measure from this 0.75 to 1 tick.
Yeah,
So like
I don't even.
technically it is doing this way within the code. Like it's quite a big tick, I believe. That's why it's happening. So you cannot pinpoint that value exactly where that 0.75 is.
Yeah, I understand.
So in the code, what I did, I removed that 1 tick above and 1 tick below, and then it took the trade exactly at that candle. So it confirmed that it is only because of that
Okay,
1 tick above rule.
so you removed that rule and now it does it the second it breaks above?
Yeah, right. Exactly on that candle. So yeah, it confirms that that's what the reason is.
Okay, so on the new version that you sent me this morning, uh, it would have taken this trade.
No, it will not take trade on this. It will stay as a pending order because I have still that rule enabled 1 tick above and 1 tick below. So the alert is exactly when this green candle touches the high or crosses above. That's why if you saw earlier yesterday, the alert was around 50 seconds
Yeah,
later
because it was
because
after this candle pushed up.
yeah, right, this candle pushed up and crossed above. That's where we got the alert. So
Okay.
it confirmed that way as well that earlier it was just missing some maybe less than a tick, quarter of a tick or something like that.
Okay.
So you're saying we should just change it from a tick to a quarter tick?
No, we cannot change that tick to quarter of tick because like the minimum we have is a tick here. We cannot go lower than that. So
Okay.
like it doesn't allow us to go lower. So that's why
So
we don't have any option
the
with it.
way it's set up right now is the absolute minimum it could be.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
That's
So we can't have it break up. All right. So the way it's set up now is the way it has to be.
Yeah, it has to. We cannot
Okay.
like
Okay.
on a scale like from 0 to 1, we cannot go
Yeah, in the
to
middle.
decimals.
Yeah.
Yeah, like with a natural number, we cannot go use decimals, something like that.
I
We cannot
understand.
go below 0.25 tick min tick value.
Can we get rid of those trades visually then, so it doesn't confuse the?
No, he already
Yeah,
he already fixed it. He fixed it.
yeah.
Okay.
So visually, it won't show the trade, and so it won't confuse the users.
Will it add it to the table? I'm assuming no.
Yeah, that's included in the table as well.
Okay, all right, cool, perfect. I love this guy.
Yeah.
I'm talking to a lead right now. I'm like, you got $400? No, honey, I don't even got 400.
You're crazy, dog. You're crazy, bro.
He's people, bro. She's like, can I finance that? I'm like, bro. So I need to get the ads going. Just only be targeting good leads.
Call my friend. It's his birthday. It's that boy's birthday. It's that boy's birthday. How you doing, bro? Happy birthday, dog. Happy birthday, man. See, the chat's going crazy for you. They're going, yeah, bro. I just wanted to call you and say happy birthday, bro. Love, dog. Let's link up later, bro. Sounds good, dog. What are you gonna do today? Bet. Let's do it, bro. Let's link up later, bro. Sounds good, bro. Let's do it. Love, brother, of course. Peace. Have a great day.
Yeah, we just closed one trade, MYM, with a small loss.
Huh? Where? What version are you using?
13.
Can you share
MYM.
Can you share your screen on Discord?
Sure.
That is so weird. There should be no trades right now.
So why did you take that trade? Yeah, there's no trade design, so why did you take that trade? Yes.
Are you using it on a?
Hey, TJ. No?
Yeah.
Okay, hey, I'm not using Akinashi candle for this. I just switch it. I was looking at something else when I took the screenshot, but it's just a normal candle.
1024.
Say that again?
I was checking the time. Yeah, we have a trade on.
Yeah, 1024.
M-
But I don't see the trade design though.
It executed or it is still pending?
No, it executed. It closed for smalls.
Which version? 13.2. But the one which I am using, it is still pending.
The 13.2?
No, 13.4.
No, I'm using 20.2. No.
Yeah, maybe issue with that one. I don't think so. It should give that. Like it should not execute that trade. But alert was there. Yeah, sorry. It took a short trade.
Calling out all the doors that found me. Crazy, bro. That is crazy as fuck. Alright, let's see what happens when I get a trade alert here. Looks like we will. Trade alert. Alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. entry. Should we adjust? Okay, perfect.
We have alert.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got a trade over here on YM. We are activated. We are activated. Let's see, let's see. We are in an uptrend, so this is a little dangerous. But I like dangerous. We're gonna get a move down. What we doing, YM? What we doing? Why in the world does NQ have DRS on those? Like, what the fuck? TJ, look at this. DRS. Breaking, DRS. For no reason. Makes no sense. You saw that, TJ? Yo, TJ.
Hello.
Look at this right here. Breaking lower, respecting giving DRS. This is still not fully solved. We need to take a look at why DRS is being presented on NQ when only one is respecting and two are breaking. You get me?
Yeah.
Very, very, very important.
No, in that one, this ES.
Oh, ES is actually tripping. ES is a little delayed. ES should be down here. ES should have that drawn like that. Yeah, ES should have this drawn like this. That's weird, but it's not. Yeah, we still need to check out that DRS. What happened?
So if we consider this one, if we consider the current that divergence line plotted, is it valid? ES is respecting, right?
ES is respecting. It
So
it should be here, because right here.
No, like
NQ, nah, this is not valid.
like currently it's not.
No, that's not valid. ES's line should be down here.
Okay.
NQ should be here at 21, and ES should also be here at 21.
Yeah, I will check once. I don't want to touch the swing low high part, because It may break things. So maybe once we are done with the current changes, I will start looking at that because I have to change the whole swing logic for this one.
All
So I
right.
don't want to break anything.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, and now it drew it over here. And now it redrew it here. That's, yeah. That one was no good. No good, my friend. But it's okay. Alright, I'm nearing my daily target. Once I hit my daily target, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out. Come on, YM. Just fucking push lower. Just another Benji. Just another Benji. Come on. Alright, guys. I personally am done for the day. I hit my daily profit target of what I was aiming for. I'm good. I am good. Okay. Sent out an alert on ES. Not bad, not bad. Damn, I didn't get that alert over here on ES. I got the alert, but I didn't get the execution on TradeAway. Weird. Yeah, I closed my YM trade, bro, just because I hit my target for the day. So, I'm happy with that.
story in itself is a story about being an artist and how we find our way. One of the things that's most
Come on, bro.
are the performances. It's the
I
collaboration.
don't want to hear these ads.
upon a time, you're just so fine. Give me the bumps of dime.
Excuse me, excuse me. I'll be right back.
Thanks for watching. And see you next time.
1 second, guys. 1 second. Sí. I'm about to finish up. I'm about to call it a day. I'm about to wrap it up, my boy.
Hey guys, this is Chris Luno, and this is the Ibiza Cosmics.
What about it, bro?
Seems like all alert did well today.
Yeah, everything was good. The only one that didn't fire off for me was this ES one. But I think
Which one?
this ES one didn't. It fired the alert, but my trader bait didn't.
Yeah, we have a trade. I have the trade on.
It was canceled for me just
Trade
because
away.
I think I pressed close all orders, so I think that's on me.
Yeah, possible.
Yeah, we're pretty much good. All right. Thank you everybody for joining today's stream. You know what? I'll wait for this YM trade to finish, but I'm done for the day. I am done for the day. Kenneth, I know you had a great day. Kenny boy, I know you had a great day. We did that today, guys. We did that. Wow, look at that. What a monster. Yeah, that concludes today for me for sure. Beautiful. It's always good to secure your profits and walk away when the time is right. All right. So that's it for today's stream, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close off the stream here. Was the ES trade triggered on automation? Yes, it was for every account except for mine, because I pressed cancel and close all orders. So since I pressed cancel and close all orders, it didn't plot. But the trade was plotted. It was not executed though. It wasn't triggered because it never actually came up to trigger it. But it did send out the alert. But as you can see, it never hit that entry point, and I have it set here to stop trading at 11. So I'm done for the day on ES here. If you want to continue trading, you could keep going on YM until 12. That's not too bad. Going on to YM until 12, and if you want to keep going on NQ, keep going on NQ until 11:30. But I'm pretty much done for the day. That's good for me. I have a daily target. I think it's very important to stick to that daily target and not keep going forward, unless you're on a different account, you know. But yeah, ES did not activate the trade. It sent the alert, it sent the pending order, but it did not activate or trigger the pending order. And we're done for the day on ES. 1 win, 0 losses on ES. 1 win, 0 losses on YM. This has been an absolutely beautiful week. But yeah, with that being said, I'm out of here, guys. God bless you. Ken, if you want to hit me up, text me on the Discord. I'd be more than happy to help you out with anything. God bless you guys. Take care.